Guys, we're going to Dunkin Donuts. So I officially uploaded my April 1st trailer. The first one. I'm gonna be uploading the second one probably on the 15th, a couple days before the actual release, with some actual footage from the film that we're gonna film this weekend, hopefully, fingers crossed. But you know, I just thought maybe after we get back from Dunkin Donuts, we could eat the donut and all that, and then we can probably go out back, because there's a way to get from the woods in our backyard to the cul-de-sac. So yes, that's what we're gonna be doing, and we're gonna be going to Dunkin right now. Doggos are being let out. If you hear the constant scraping on the floor, and now I'm over here. How'd that happen? But anyway, we just came back from Dunkin Donuts. So, yes, we got some munchkins, because guess what? We're ordering, and my mom's like, "Oh, could you add a Boston cream donut?" And guess what Dunkin' Donuts said? We don't have any more donuts. Dunkin' Donuts doesn't have any more donuts. Let that sink in for a bit. Which, I get it. We came there a little late, and plus, everyone likes donuts. I know, donuts are awesome. So I'm not surprised that they ran out. And you know, this, what's happening in the world. Chopo got a goodie. I think somebody got goodies. Oh, wait a minute. Oh.
You guys already had yours.
Oh, you accept goodies from Mom, but you don't accept goodies that I gave you last night, little miss. Yeah, you know what you did. You know what you did, you adorable little kitten. You're not a kitten, you're a full-grown cat, but you're just so cute. Aw, Teddy. Look at those eyes. I love you, Teddy. I love my little Teddy.
Alex.
What? Ooh. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, look. He's gonna be eating around him. I'm just gonna go up to him and just push the hammock over and have the food fall on his face. Just kidding. I'm joking. Setting it down. Dang it, he knows I'm filming him. Dang it. I've been compromised. There's have a standard munchkins.
My lot. Oh my god. Oh.
Shane Dawson. It's so sunny. I feel like I want to go back. Yeah, let's do that. Hey, Alex here. Your friendly neighborhood explorer and expeditionist of the outdoors. You're looking at the guy who goes on walks a lot. I'm like, whoa. Oh, so I'm like nature obsessed. All right. So we are going out back. Do you know where? Hopefully we don't get lost. We might. Here's the sun. Oh, guys, look at that. We're not gonna jump across it, but we're gonna walk along it. Because over here we have a bit of a footing. Guys, we did it. Venture up. There. I think it's someone's backyard. I don't think we should mess with that. Let's just follow this creek. Fix it. Looks ridiculous. But I really don't want to get mud on me. So let's go back. How about let's do the mile? It's kind of a lot safer than than back here. At least when you don't have like the proper equipment or proper attire. Equipment. What you just need yourself. Okay, guys, I think I'm stuck. Are you really surprised with me? I need these so I could see a lot better on the ground. I really don't want to get mud all over me again. There we go. Good. We A-okay. Okay, I see the shed down there. See? The shed's right there. That's our shed. Let's try to find a way to get this. Where's the area from? I think over here. Yeah, this was it. Gotta be careful with this type of stuff. Uh-oh. Don't worry, guys. There will be a vlog where we go deeper and we might go over to the cul-de-sac. I might bring Chris with me. Okay. Find a way to get back. To be completely honest.
While you're playing with the app, if you put your ear to the phone, you'll hear static or white noise. I do! Do you? Oh! You hear it? It's small. Here, listen.
Yeah, it's like a little like crumbling noise off in the distance. Oh.
And
Wait, can I hear yours?
What does static mean though? Like, what is that?
Well, that's the same noise that you'll hear if your phones are tapped. Maybe I can ask them a question. Maybe they'll get to answer that text.
I mean, it makes.
Hey guys. Look at that one. Look at that white tree right there. There's nothing really I can do about the whole wind situation. But it's fine. Yeah, I might take a trip to the farm. Maybe. Safety first.